Without further ado, let's get into it. Number 1. Soft reset your TV. Simply turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, wait for 60 seconds, plug it back in. This will most likely fix the issue, but if not, there are a few more things for you to try. Number 2. Reset all external devices. If you have some kind of external device connected to your Vizio TV, like a cable box or a sound bar, that might have caused the issue with the way your devices are communicating. That's why you can only see the black screen on your TV. You need to simply turn your cable box or a sound bar off by pressing its power button. Wait for 1 minute, and then turn it back on. Another option is to unplug the power cord of your cable box or any other external device from the power source, wait for 1 minute again, and then plug it back in. Number 3. Replug HDMI cables. A faulty HDMI port can cause your Vizio TV to have a black screen with sound. Simply unplug all the HDMI cables from your TV, and then reconnect them. You can try using a different HDMI port for your device or a different HDMI cable if you have a spare one. You should also avoid using the power strips. Plug your TV directly into the wall outlet. Try using another wall socket to see if it makes a difference. Number 4. Check the backlights. If all of your external connections seem to be in good working order, then the backlight is your next most likely suspect. To check if the backlight is working, turn off the lights in the room with your television and aim a flashlight at the screen. You should be able to see whether there's an image being displayed. If you can make out the image on the television, then it's a certainty that your backlight is burned out. In this case, you will need to have the backlight replaced. If you have any other questions regarding this topic, we have a lot of useful resources in our blog. You can find the link to it under the video. Thank you so much for watching.